In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a driver's side floor pan, front support, footwell, and the front pillar panel on a 1971 Chevy C10, or any Chevy truck from 67 through 72. Watch it go from this to this. Well, we finally got a nice weekend. It's about 47 right now. So, garage doors open, sunny outside. This is great. Everything's melting. There's the Cursomero Z20 brake doing a reverse wheelie. The mini Jeeps that are dismantled in my driveway. Well, this one isn't. Alright, so the floor is all mocked up and fitted. I'm basically at this point going to take it apart and start welding it piece by piece. Let's get started. So everything's taken apart again. I'm going to start putting this puzzle together. I don't know, it's kind of too nice to pass up. I think we should go take a walk towards the river. Well, not much of a river right now, but covered in snow. Still pretty frozen. Alright, enough messing around. Let's go get this floor in. The welds are dressed. Got pretty decent penetration on that. Let's slide her in. Alright, so I got the front cap support welded up. I got the floor plate welded up. I got a nice coat of weld-through primer on this thing. So yeah, finally at that moment where we're going to put this floor in. Let's do that. Not bad. Alright, I guess I'm going to start clamping. Hammer of justice. Almost there though. It's the most progress I've seen on this truck in years. I took a pretty long break from working on this thing. So I had a great fit on this floor and got it all clamped down, and I still got to remove a little bit right here. Everything else seems to be pretty good. This needs to go down a little bit. So this is kind of a surreal moment since I've been really slacking on this thing over the last couple years. But yeah, this thing's about to have a floor. That's saying something. Alright, let's melt some metal. It's getting cold out here. What should I do? Start a fire in the garage? Yeah, alright. So I needed to push down this floor a little bit more so it was sitting flush against the brace underneath it. And I didn't have a long enough clamp. The clamp that I have is pretty long, but it wouldn't reach this spot. So I took a piece of 2x4, ran it across here, clamped it here, and that gives it enough force to push it down. Now, it could go down a little bit more, so one last step, take this wedge, and now this thing is completely flush. So that's as far as it's going to go. They're not going to get any closer. I mean, there's no playing it at all. If these things get any closer together, they're going to need to buy each other breakfast in the morning. So the floor is almost completely welded in, and I run into this issue. Do I have enough shielding gas to finish the project? Yeah, no. Yeah, once I get going on this thing, I'll probably tack it here, here, and here, and then I'll just have to stretch this over a little bit. But it fits pretty good. Besides that guy. So I drove into the city today, and I'm sitting there thinking to myself, I'm getting a little hungry. So many good places to eat. Philly's Best, Kuma's Corner. The options are endless. So what do? I go to Harbor Freight and spend all my money at Harbor Freight. Make sure you know your priorities, right? Having a hole punch would be nice. I got all the pieces prepped, so next I'm going to throw some rust encapsulator in some of these spots over here, and then I'm going to use internal frame coating to shoot up there into the pillar. Woo! Oh yeah.
There's something feeling, it's deep within my soul. I cannot shake this little voice inside my head, screaming to let it go.
So it's about 12:30 at night, still going strong, I guess. Slowing down a little bit, taking some shots of vodka. Woo! So as you can see with the piece missing there, I had to split this front pillar panel pretty drastically to get the rocker panel to fit. This piece right here came out a lot further this way. So I split it, pounded this down a little bit, and now I got a patch in there. Well, not a patch yet, but a template. Patch is all made, ready to get tacked in. Alright, she's all tacked in. Time to pull this piece off and weld her up. Fitting pretty good. So this is all done, besides drilling the holes and installing these guys. So the next thing I'm going to start in is this cab corner area. That's ultimately what it's going to look like once it's attached to the C10. And what it looks like now, which is a complete and utter disaster. So if you guys want more videos like this, click the subscribe button right there, and there might be some kind of video to watch up here, or even down here.